I tried Wazir's Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Wazir's Wallet app, I wanted to see if it lived up to its reputation as one of India's biggest crypto exchanges. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Wazir's feels less like a traditional wallet and more like a complete crypto trading ecosystem. On day 1, account setup was quick, though it does require quick verification. Once logged in, I was greeted by an intuitive interface, clean charts, real-time prices, and a straightforward buy-sell system. By day 2, I started exploring trading pairs. Wazir supports hundreds of cryptos, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and its own Wazir's token works. What really caught my attention was the peer-to-peer feature. It allows users to buy and sell crypto directly using Indian rupees without needing a middleman. It's fast, transparent, and surprisingly efficient. On day 4, I tried transferring some tokens out to an external wallet. The process was easy, but the fees are slightly higher than average, something to keep in mind if you move funds often. Midweek, I explored the staking options and WazirX rewards. You can earn bonuses for trading volume and referring friends, which gives Wazir's a gamified feel. It's designed to keep users active and engaged. By day 6, I noticed the app is built for traders, not just holders. Real-time order books, advanced charting tools, and market analytics make it ideal for anyone serious about crypto trading in India. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Wazir's isn't just a wallet, it's a full-scale crypto platform. It's great for trading and easy access to crypto using Inner, but not ideal if you want total control of your private keys, since it's custodial. If you're in India and want a simple, fast, and legal way to trade crypto, Wazir's is one of the best options available. Just remember, it's convenient, but you're trusting them to hold your funds.